how to add section in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want your Google Forms to have different sections? Like you want various questions divided into different pages because they are not related to each other. So, I'll show you how to do it. You can go to your Google Chrome and then open up your Google Forms where you want to add sections. Then you'll see various options on the right hand side. Just go ahead and tap on the two rectangle like icon. This is to add section. So just tap on it, and then there you can see section 2 has been added. So if you want to add more sections, you can just tap on it again. So basically what this does is uh, if you add on sections, section 1 will open up in one page, and then if you want to go to section 2, then you'll have to tap on next, and this form will open up in next page. So you can do this when the questions are not related to each other. Or you can do this if there are many questions and you want to divide it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.